Hi everyone. I've got this stone. Not sure what it is. Looks sort of like granite almost, but I don't know. It said sunstone whenever I did a search on it, so I don't know if the AI was right about it or not. I don't know. But we're going to wrap it. And I've got two 16-inch pieces of wire, 20 gauge dead soft copper. And it's round. And I doubled it. I made a loop. I find the center on this one about, just guesstimate it. And then I'm going to cinch it down. Now, we're going to put our stone in there. We're going to take this wire over all the way to the back and about center it there. And then bend this one up. This one, I'm going to take it across. No, we're not going to take that one across. We're going to take this one across. Take it to the back. And put this one down. And we're going to do a little curl here. Well, I should have showed you what that looked like. That's what it looks like. And we're going to do a little curl there. Go up to here. Wrap it around the back. Do the same thing here. See what take it and wrap it around back here. So do a curl here. Take it down. To the back and wrap it around that wire. Alright, now this is what we have. We'll finish wrapping this one around. Tighten it up a little bit. Last one I did, it broke a wire off. So I'm trying to be extra cautious. Alright, now we're going to take this, the longer one. Not the one we wrapped around, but the other one. The one we wrapped it around. We're going to make a curl. Lift it up a little bit. Go back up to the top. I wonder. See if I can straighten this wire out a little bit. I like to have two at the top, even if I'm working with one wire. I wonder. Let me take this one up here. I am going to hold this together the best I can. We're going to take it up here. Get it about where I want it and go across. That ain't going to work. I'm going to go up here, get it where I want it, and go across that bell. I should have left the paintbrush in there. Alright. There, we've got our bell made. And we're going to work on getting rid of this wire right here. Straighten it out a little bit. Because I'm going to put this and this one. Right there. I'll put it right there. We went and wrapped it around there, and we are going to tuck it in right here. Hold it at the front. Well, we're going to tuck it in here. So it didn't want to go where I wanted it to go. We've got that done. Now, which one's the long one? We're going to go and do a swirl here. We're going to come across here. Because those beads are right where I normally put the swirl, so we'll put it there. Take it down. Okay, here. Get it pulled through a little bit, and then we'll see where it is. All right, We don't want it there. Loosen it up a little bit. Right about there, and then we'll roll it around. We'll cut it right about there. Wrap it all around. There. Now we have 2 wires left. I wonder if I can bring this one over like that. Put them beside of each other and do a curl. Bring those there. Which one's my outside wire? They want them to separate, so put a little crystal on that one. Well, put a little crystal on that one. Put it right in there. Gotta pull that wire out a little bit. That's where I want it, right there. So I'm gonna cut it here. Well, got it in there. See what we can do about getting another one in there. Do I want a bigger one? Put there. No, I don't know. Littler one. My wire has scooted in. I hope I'm under the camera. Alright, I'm going to put this other one here, I think. Oh, well, I had to pick that up. It went flying. We'll just wrap it around that wire. Well, don't want it sticking out on the front. And boy, have I got it there. Okay, I have enough scraps to make a bracelet in Lowell. It turned out pretty cute. Well, yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time, and thanks for liking and subscribing. It really helps me out, and thank you for watching to the end. And until next time, y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.